If you're looking for dog collars male, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Collars Male. Number 1, Most Popular, by Mowham. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Moonpet. Number 3, by Dexdog. For more details about these dog collars products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Wolfgang Man and Beast. Number 5, also by Wolfgang Man and Beast. Find these dog collars male at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by SLZZ. Number 7, by Eastop. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by American Paws Pet Products. Number 9, by Ralph Roxy. Discover more dog collars male ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Smooski Store.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.